Several lawmakers gathered at the plenary hall of the House of Representatives today, this to pay their final respects and to deliver heartfelt tributes to the late Antipolo Representative Romeo Acop. Our Bien Manalo has the full story.
Representative Romeo Acop was one of a kind. He showed us that the foundation of an authentic service is a good name coupled with selfless motivation.
Tributes were given at the Requiem Mass held at the plenary hall of the House of Representatives today for the late Antipolo Representative Romeo Acop. The lawmaker died at the age of 78 due to heart attack. Acop served as the representative of the 2nd District of Antipolo City in the 15th, 16th, and 17th Congresses from 2010 until his passing away this December 20. During the Mass, the lawmaker was recognized for his dedication, courage, and for being a good servant of his people.
Representative Acop, thank you for must be lived out according to his will and guidance.
At the necrological service, some lawmakers remembered the beautiful memorials of Representative Acop. House Speaker Faustino D. III said the passing of Representative Acop is a great loss not only to the Congress and to his constituents in Antipolo, but also to the Filipino people.
We feel this loss deeply, not just because we lost a colleague, but because we lost a friend, a brother, and a man who gave his whole heart to public service.
It is an honor for House Deputy Speaker Ronaldo Puno to have worked Representative Acop at the Philippine National Police. He considers the former lawyer a brave, stand-alone, and the best general.
I hope that this tradition will not be lost. I hope that the Acop name will continue to fly in Antipolo and fly high.
Manila 6th District Representative Bienvenido Abante also recognized Representative Acop's stance and courage in achieving justice as the member of the House Quad Committee.
He was a principled partner, a steady presence, and a man who never forgot why we were there.
Meanwhile, former House Speaker Martin Romualdez also expressed his condolences. In his statement, he acknowledged the late representative's unforgettable dedication as a public servant and his great contribution as the member of the House Quad Committee. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.